To quote on Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account and navigating to the Quotes section. This can be found under the Business menu, where you will see the option to create a new quote. When creating a quote, you will need to select the contact or customer you are quoting for. You can do this by searching for their name or selecting them from your contact list. Once you have selected the contact, you can add the items or services you are quoting for. You can add items from your existing inventory or create new ones. Make sure to include a description, quantity, and price for each item. You can also add any relevant notes or comments to the quote. After adding all the necessary items, you can review and edit the quote as needed. You can also add a quote title, reference, and expiration date. The expiration date is the date by which the quote is valid, so make sure to set this accordingly. Once you are happy with the quote, you can approve it and send it to the customer. The customer will receive an email with a link to view the quote online. They can then accept or decline the quote online, and you will receive a notification either way. It is best practice to keep track of all quotes, including the status and any relevant notes or comments. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you follow up with customers in a timely manner. In Xero, you can also convert a quote into an invoice once it has been accepted by the customer. This saves time and reduces the risk of errors, as all the relevant information is already entered into the system. Overall, quoting on Xero is a straightforward process that can help you streamline your workflow and improve your customer relationships. By following these steps and best practices, you can create professional quotes and manage them effectively.